Now for today's poll position, Mark.
Well, today's poll of the day comes from Sina.com, and they've been asking people if they would stop to help if they saw an elderly person fall down on the street. Their question follows a report in the Guangzhou Daily about an 80-year-old man who fell to the ground in the city but wasn't helped up by passers-by because they were worried about the legal implications of helping him out.
Sina.com polled around 25,000 people, and these are the results. About 55% said no, they wouldn't help out for fear of getting into trouble. 21.5% said yes, they would help out, but only if they could first find a witness. Less than 10% said yes, they wouldn't hesitate to help out straight away.
Now, in 2006, a 63-year-old woman called Mrs. Xu fell from the steps of a bus, and a young man called Peng Yu helped her to hospital. But Mrs. Xu claims that Peng Yu pushed her out of the bus. The case went to court, and lawmakers ruled that Peng Yu had to pay a fine of $6,600. The case proved hugely controversial here in China. Another example of this issue. Now, there's no doubt China is not as litigious as the US. I mean, you don't see the no-win, no-fee commercials that you would see on subways and on billboards and on television in the States. You just simply don't see those here.
That's right, but this story, this case that we're talking about today, isn't unique. We've had reports in the past, newspaper reports here in Beijing, of similar instances. People are genuinely concerned that if they stop to help, they might be implicated in the accident or whatever's happened. And there are cases, probably very much in the minority, where people stage these kind of things to get financial compensation.
And that's right. And as I was saying, in the US, doctors are traditionally not best friends with lawyers and can be very wary about stopping to help if they were to drive past an accident. Doctors and now we're seeing here in China, it's the same with ordinary people. So some similarities.